Hi everyone, today we'll find the LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, we have choices here: A24, B12, C32 and D36. Okay, now what does LCM stands for? It means the least common multiple, the smallest multiple that both numbers share. Both 4 and 6 share this number. Now, let us list the multiples for each number. We start with 4. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, now the multiples of 6 are 6, we'll stop here, 24, 12, 18, 24. Now we already see there are commons here. Okay, 4 and 6, they are common multiples here. We have two common multiples. We have 12 and also we have 24. But what we need is the least common. Okay, so we'll go on with the list. Which one is least, 24 or 12? For this case, we'll choose 12 is the least common multiple of 4 and 6. So our answer is B, which is 12. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.